Bully Prevention Month, and today a York County elementary school is hoping to teach children valuable lessons with a visit from superheroes.
Fox 43's Sarah Williams is live in Peach Bottom Township, where an assembly will be taking place to spread that positive message. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning. I'm here at Delta Peach Bottom Elementary School, joined by the Omegaman, who's here to teach teachers, staff, and students how to be a hero. Now, can you tell me, how did you get started with this?
I started this in 2008 because I saw the rise of bullying across the nation on physical, verbal, but mostly cyber too. So I created a one-of-a-kind superhero school assembly called Omegaman Friends, challenging students to be the hero in you, helping everyone respect others, to use your superpowers for good, not for bad. We all have one power in common, and that's the power of our words, how to use our words nicely, not tearing down others. Also to be a dream maker, not a dream breaker in life.
So I know that this was cultivated from when you were young.
Yes.
Can you tell me about that?
Yes, bullying is very close to my heart because when I was little, I had a speech impediment. I stuttered, so I know the impact of what bullying could do in someone's life. I was, isolated. I had depression, even as a teenager, suicidal thoughts. But you know what? I realized I had to change my thinking, because what you think about yourself, you become. So I started going to speech therapy for many, many years. Do I still stutter? Sometimes I do, but never focus on what you can't do. Focus on what you can do. So I can still rip stuff and break stuff. And now I travel across the nation doing some crazy feats of strength, but motivating kids to be bully-free.
All right, and that's what you're here going to give to kids today.
Yes, going to challenge them to be bully-free, to use your powers for good. Oh, and I think they're starting to hear me. I think I hear my name. I got to go. The superhero's on its way. See you later. Bye.
And there he